What up, everybody? It's KTG612. Today, I'm just riding around and it's super cold. I'm a starter, yeah. Sorry if I'm blind, stuck up on my mind. I can't let you go. I'm right here, baby. Tell me even if you live, I will wait for you and I hope you change your mind. Yeah, I can't have you by my side, but you playing all these games. It's 40 degrees out right now. This is probably the lowest temp-wise I've ridden ever. 40 degrees out. And I think it's going to be the last ride of the season. Kind of sad. It's bittersweet. And I'm just riding. I had no destination. I just felt kind of salty that it was like 80 degrees the other day. And I was not able to ride. Combination of work and kids. I blame you both. Gosh darn it, I blame you both. Yeah, now I'm like, F it, I gotta ride. I don't care if it's 40 degrees out. Man, it's cold though. It's cold. It's super cold. I think there's a reason why I never rode the bike in these temperatures. Oh man. Oh, my helmet's all fogging up. Comment down below, what's the coldest you've ever ridden the bike? I'm pretty sure someone's out there that's ridden like in pure snow. This is the coldest I've ridden, 40 degrees. Oh, there's another guy. He's probably more warm. Hanging out, yeah, buddy. He's about that life. See this cool restaurant? I gotta check it out. I really do. Like, not right now, but at some point. Jaywalker. I ain't mad. I ain't mad though. I'm not mad, guys. I'm just pointing out that he was jaywalking. Oh my god, this is cold. This is not even fun. This is gonna be one of those videos where I just complain and whine. No. I don't want that to be this video. Minnesota. See, he's so cold. Look how he's walking. That's cold. When you do the penguin walk. Let's open it up a little bit. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. I'd rather go slow. And that's the first time you'll hear me say that. Oh man.
Subscribe right now. Give a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bells right now.
Alright, so I think to make this work, I probably would have to have a better jacket. I'm just wearing jeans right now. My gloves, they're not bad. They're for colder weather riding, but I don't think they're meant for like temps like this. Maybe more like fall and spring riding. I don't know how much longer I can bear this. This isn't fun at all. See, I knew it was gonna be one of those little whiny, fun now. You better enjoy your bike, dude. You're gonna miss it the next 3 months here. Yep, so usually I like to put the bike in storage once I see first snowfall, and it didn't really snow yet. I saw some flakes land on my windshield. They melted instantly, but I saw them. Look, he's shooting hoops. In 40 degree weather, shooting hoops. That's dedication. Like me, I'm riding my bike. That's dedication. That's what I'm talking about. I just wanted to post this video up and see, you know, what do you guys typically put the bike away? It's cold. I can't do this anymore. I hope you guys stay warm during the winter. I'll keep pushing out content. We got a bunch of videos that I'm still working on. It's cold. I couldn't hear what he was saying, but he probably wanted me to do a wheelie. I ain't trying to do no wheelie because I can't. I can't do a wheelie. Have a great day, guys.
What is it? Snow?
How can I be able to see it?
Subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I'll be ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails off.
Look for me. You about to be on there.